Hi traders, quick video of how to install the MACD Turbo for MT5 indicator into an MT5 environment. So here we've got MT5, you can see this, MetaTrader 5, build 3211, 14th of Feb 2022, so bang on up to date. I've already downloaded the installer from the MetaTrader website. I'm just going to show you that in a folder here. So this is my zip file which comes straight off the server if you've got obviously a username and password to access it. Let's just open that up and run it, and a license agreement which I accept. Let's get rid of that window there, and I'm going to then put this product into the MT5 data folder. So what we're going to do now is just go into MT4, click File, Open Data Folder. See this new Windows Explorer area here, right click in there, say copy address as text, go back to your installer, right click, paste in that text field area there, click next, click install, click finish. Right, now restart MT5, so let's do that. So now when we've restarted MT5 and we are now logged in, so if we go down to our indicator folder, we'll see FXA MACD Turbo XL. Now we must make sure we've got Java installed on our machine. That's really important. If you have got Java pre-installed, the license manager will automatically pop up here, and before you actually try and load the indicator onto MetaTrader, just enter your details which are provided to you, and then you'll see your products which you're licensed on. Click continue and the Java interface will minimize. Then simply drag the indicator onto your chart, click allow DLL imports, and there you go. The indicator loads straight in, no problem. If you have any problems, check the experts tab in the terminal window in MT4 to make sure that there are no errors coming up. And that's all there is to it. So thanks for watching.